Adjusting the stitch. Adjusting the stitch length. The standard stitch length setting for serging stitch is 3. To adjust the stitch lengths, turn the stitch lengths dial. The smaller the number, the shorter the stitch. Shorter stitches are suitable for lightweight fabrics. The larger the number, the longer the stitch. Longer stitches are suitable for heavyweight fabrics. Adjusting the differential feed ratio. Set the dial at 1.0 for regular sewing. Adjust the differential feed ratio when sewing fabrics that tend to stretch or pucker. The differential feed ratio can be altered by turning the differential feed dial. If the fabric being sewn tends to pucker, turn the dial clockwise. If the fabric being sewn is stretchy, turn the dial counterclockwise.